Hello, and welcome to a quick introduction of SAP Revenue Accounting and Reporting. My name is Sarah Thompson, and I'm a Senior Solution Engineer with Bramasol. Bramasol is a leader in SAP Finance and Financial Transformation. We're helping companies to comply and benefit from ASC 606 as well as IFRS 15. With this introduction, you will get a quick overview of how you can utilize the Revenue Accounting and Reporting tool. Today, we are going to be utilizing SAP S/4HANA to showcase revenue accounting and reporting, which is really just an add-on into core finance. As a revenue accountant, you have one launchpad that is going to help you manage your entire revenue process. This launchpad gives you access to transactional applications, fact sheets, even analytical applications all from one screen. You also have the ability to personalize this launchpad so that you can see which applications are needed in order for you to perform your daily tasks. So as a revenue accountant, if you want to start your morning by managing the revenue accounting contracts that come in, SAP is going to automatically populate a work list with the latest contracts that have been created. You can come in as a user and create different filters if you wanted to view, let's say, for example, any pending review contracts, or if you wanted to focus on a certain customer or company code, you could do so as well. SAP is also going to create a revenue contract for every accounting principle that you have, whether it's a local GAAP or IFRS. You're able to see those different contracts here in this work list. If we look at our latest contract, we'll see we're actually looking at a bundled contract. We've got our header information above, but if we just want to focus on our performance obligations, we can see we have 4 performance obligations. One that's actually linked to a leading performance obligation, meaning that that was not on our original operational document. We've got our standalone selling price and contractual amounts, and the system's going to automatically allocate all of the revenue for each performance obligation that needs to be recognized. You also have drill-through capabilities if you needed to drill in and as a revenue accountant and see the original sales order, but each of our performance obligations are going to have different fulfillment types. As a revenue accountant, the most important piece is going to be, when are you going to recognize revenue? SAP provides a waterfall-like schedule that allows for you to preview over the life of the contract when you can recognize revenue. We can see here we're already able to recognize some revenue. Nothing has been posted. There is planned revenue out there, and that's going to mean anything that has a date attached to it, and then all the unscheduled revenue. For example, something that could be delivered or an installation, something that doesn't have a set date. We can see from our schedule, we've got premium support for this month, able to be recognized. We've got a few unscheduled, and then our upgrade is also unscheduled below. What's awesome about this report is it's automatically going to update when the triggers are fulfilling each performance obligation. So for example, I believe our router is based off a delivery. When that delivery takes place, we'll be able to refresh this schedule and see that update here. We'll also be able to see if we scroll across any posted revenue or even any invoice amounts that get created. Okay, so let's go ahead and refresh. We can see here that our invoice has been updated. We've got an invoice for our router as well as our premium support and installation. We can also see as we scroll back up to the top, we've got a new recognized revenue amount, new planned amount, as well as a new unscheduled amount. As you scroll down, our upgrade has been pre-populated, so we now have the ability to see our upgrade as well as the upgrade has been created into monthly amounts. So it's now a planned amount instead of an unscheduled amount. This is very important because as different operations are going to take place in the background, the revenue accountant can see if those fulfillments have taken place and when exactly they can expect revenue. After viewing our revenue schedule, you can see the last thing that needs to take place is going to be posting the revenue. So we can come into our posting monitor and we can actually see all of the GL accounts and all of the amounts that are going to be posted for this one contract. Now we can wait for the posting run, or we can view by actual posting what's going to take place for this particular contract. We'll be able to see each category, each performance obligation, and then what those actual amounts are per performance obligation. From here, I can wait for the next posting run, or I can go in and post just for this one revenue accounting contract. And to wrap it all up, I can actually come in and search for the journal entries that have been created based off of the revenue accounting contracts that are posted out there. So if I search across all revenue accounting contracts, the latest one that should pop up will be my contract here, 21702. I could drill back into the GL document, or I can just scroll down and see the GL postings that were posted from the last posting run that we had. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.